Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern bedroom design ideas embrace sleek and minimalist aesthetics, creating spaces that exude both style and functionality. One popular trend involves incorporating bold geometric patterns into the wallpaper or tiles, adding a touch of contemporary flair to the small space. Floating vanities with clean lines and integrated storage solutions optimize the room's functionality while maintaining a sense of spaciousness. Innovative lighting fixtures such as LED mirrors or pendant lights not only enhance visibility but also contribute to the room's modern appeal. Mixing contrasting textures such as marble countertops and matte black fixtures adds depth and visual interest to the design, embracing neutral color palettes with pops of metallic accents, creating a timeless and sophisticated atmosphere. The use of open shelving or floating shelves provide an opportunity to showcase stylish decor items or functional accessories, enhancing the overall room aesthetics. Additionally, incorporating eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient fixtures align with the growing trend of sustainable design. Large format tiles or efficient fixtures align with growing trend of sustainable design. Statement textures contribute to a sense of continuing and openness, emphasizing a cohesive design with matching hardware and accessories creates a polished look. Incorporating elements of nature such as indoor plants or nature-inspired artwork brings a touch of tranquility to the modern powder room. Finally, embracing smart technology like motion sensor functions or programmable lighting adds a futuristic and convenient dimension to the space, making it both visually appealing and highly functional. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.